Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we'll explore UnitedHealth Group in detail. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has identified UnitedHealth Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 7.42. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of negative 16.6%. This results in an average daily loss of negative 0.98% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock has broken a significantly wide and falling short-term trend. Initially, a stronger decline is indicated, but we may also see false breaks and sell-offs. Nonetheless, further declines seem realistic, and any rebounds back to the breaking point of $392.29 are considered a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $210.75 could represent the new bottom line of the next trend, although it is much too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decline of approximately 11.82% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 8.67% to 33.60%. Looking at the longer term, our analysis over 12 months indicates a projected change of negative 9.6%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 7.71% to 43.7% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $407.97 and $541.89. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline: UnitedHealth Group stock price ended at $378.75 on Monday, after losing 497 thousandths of a percent. The UnitedHealth Group stock price declined by 497 thousandths of a percent on the last day, which was Monday, the 12th of May, 2025, dropping from $380.64 to $378.75. This marks the 5th consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.75%, ranging from a low of $376.84 to a high of $387.21. It has fallen in 8 of the last 10 days and is down by 9.82% over this period. Notably, the trading volume increased by 2 million shares on the last day. Despite the declining prices, this could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 10 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $3.81 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $630.73, and the lowest was $376.84. Currently, the price stands at 39.95%, or $251.98, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. UnitedHealth Group, trading under the ticker UNH, is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple law firms have announced class action lawsuits related to alleged violations of federal securities laws. These lawsuits seek damages for investors who acquired UnitedHealth securities between the 3rd of December, 2024 and the 16th of April, 2025. The escalating legal pressures could impact investor sentiment and stock performance in the short term, likely leading to increased volatility as potential investors weigh the risks of entering a company under scrutiny. Additionally, President Trump's recent announcement to reduce U.S. drug prices by up to 80% through executive action has generated mixed reactions among investors. While the pharmaceutical sector, including companies like UnitedHealth has thus far remained relatively stable, the long-term implications could create uncertainty in pricing strategies and operational profitability. If stakeholders believe the government's intervention will substantially impact profit margins, it may deter investors, putting downward pressure on the stock price. Together, these developments could create a turbulent environment for UNH in the near term, as legal uncertainties and regulatory pressures contribute to investor hesitation. In the long term, how the company navigates these challenges will be crucial, influencing both investor confidence and overall financial performance. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, April 22, 2025, it was reported that HSBC assigned a hold rating to UNH, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Monday, April 21, 2025, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned a buy rating to UNH, along with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 15, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned an overweight rating to UNH with a hold action. On Tuesday, April 15, 2025, it was reported that Bernstein assigned an outperform rating to UNH together with a hold action. On Monday, March 3, 2025, it was reported that Stephens assigned an overweight rating to UNH, also with a hold action. Analysts have assigned UnitedHealth Group stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. However, for return on investment, the analysts have awarded the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of UnitedHealth Group presents sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these averages, where the long-term average is situated above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $390.75 and $479.30. A breakout above either of these levels would signal a buying opportunity. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, the 11th of April, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 36.82%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Yesterday, trading volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, closer monitoring of the stock is advisable. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 21 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 21 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 18 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 13 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under certain conditions, the stock may experience significant declines in the coming days. The stock exhibits considerable daily movement, which indicates high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $10.38 between its high and low points, representing a change of 2.75%. In the last week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 2.35%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's briefly review some essential fundamental data. First, consider the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate a subdued outlook for the company or suggest that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $6.28. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $425.33. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. There is no substantial support from accumulated volume below, indicating that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain circumstances. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 1st of April, 2025, Timothy Patrick Flynn conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. On the same day, John H. Noseworthy also conducted an insider purchase of 180 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that day, Frederick William McNabb III made an insider purchase of 183 shares of common stock. Paul R. Garcia conducted an insider purchase of 60 shares of common stock on the 1st of April, 2025. Paul R. Garcia made another insider purchase of 108 shares of common stock on the same day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 55.910. Overall, insiders acquired 273,529 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for the stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative signals and is currently in a broad, declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After reviewing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 13th of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open higher by $2.18, starting at $380.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor prior to buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.